loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Alan Spell, and today we're gonna be having home spa experience. Yup. So I was doing my everything and I just thought I'll show you guys how I make my chocolate max that is edible. Very edible, very edible. I call it chocolate because the color comes out as chocolate. So I'm gonna be showing you the 3 key ingredients I use and how I use them, how I mix them. And it's very simple, and these are things you can just get in your kitchen and actually mix, which includes cinnamon, honey, and nutmeg. This is something you can have in your kitchen and just use. So I'll be highlighting the benefits of these face masks, and yeah, I hope you guys would enjoy this video and learn 1 or 2 from it. So real quick, I'm going to highlight the benefits of using each of these ingredients. So we should understand that honey actually helps keep your face moisturized and it keeps your skin hydrated basically. Nutmeg is an antibacterial, antifungal ingredient which helps reduce swelling and clears up infected areas of the face. Cinnamon aids in blood circulation and oxygenation of the face. So the 3 ingredients combined are like a powerhouse, and like that's really nice. Yeah, and disclaimer, cinnamon can irritate some skin types, so make sure to always do a test patch before you actually put it on your face. Don't say Margaret told you to do something like that. So make sure you always do a test patch to be sure. If you see anything on the internet, it's always right to actually do a test patch on your skin to be sure you don't react to it. So please make sure you do a test patch and make sure you don't react to it. So not that now I've washed my face and I've made sure to, normally I always steam my face because I want my pores to be open while I use the mask. That's what I do. So you can also do that and have this at home spa experience with me. So now that I have this mixture with me, we're gonna put it on her face. So I like to use this brush. Oh yeah, chocolate. So guys, like this is a very easy mask that you can try and it's edible. And I mean, isn't that the best part? I have no mirror, guys. So I'm just looking through the camera. I look chocolate, and I love this mask because I mean everybody who knows me knows how much I love chocolate, so it, you know, makes me happy anytime. So once this is done, you just want it to sit in for 15 good minutes. So we're gonna wait. So I've washed it out and this is what I look like, and I'm just gonna put over my tissue over my. It's always good to, I prefer using facial tissue to normal towel. I think I said this in one of my other videos before, or I prefer to use facial tissues than white towels because they don't keep in all those dirt. So yeah, this is how I look, and you should note that while you're washing your face, it has this exfoliating kind of feel, so you can always use it to exfoliate your face. So now I'm just gonna go in with my moisturizer, and yep, I'm going in with my oil. This is vitamin E oil. So I'm just gonna put it on my face, and yep. So that's pretty much it. We're at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you're not subscribed at this point, sis, what you waiting for? What you waiting for? Please just subscribe to my channel. You can help a girl. Subscribe, like, share this video if you enjoyed it. And in case you try this out, please make sure to leave, or you're going to try this out, please make sure to leave a comment down below and tell me. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.